Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Let's focus po on this given abstract figure. We have here circles on the upper rows are combinations of the circles on the bottom rows. Identify the best logical fit for the given figure. We have A, B, C, and D. Okay, let's attack this problem in this manner po. Let me use my pen. And again, I'm gonna share. Sabi po dito, yung nasa taas po ng mga figure are combinations ng nasa baba. Or in reverse way, yung mga nasa baba po are parts or broken down parts ng nung nasa taas. You could see that in this second level, they're actually combinations of this. As you can see here, there is a curve, and we have here two small curves here which combines that, and this two as well combines this. So, yung question natin dito is ano po yung nasa pinakataas. Now, there are two different methods that you can do here. Pag ako, ginagawa ko po, pag ganitong item, is I'm just going to focus on yung lower portions po. Okay? And then, I'm going to draw on my mind, or let's say, a different portion of a paper, pag pwede naman. So, I'm going to draw here, assume that it's a circle, my own understanding. So, we have this three to be combined. So, we have the figure, or this arc at the bottom for this one here, check. This one here, we also have an arc somewhere here. My drawing is not necessarily similar or the same, but it's just, they just tangent po, meaning nagko-connect lang po sila dito. Kasi parang half naman sila. And we can see here that they're really connected. And then, i-combine lang po natin itong nasa third one. Okay? And then, simply look at the options here. And with this, I can guarantee now that my answer here is letter D. Ito po yung tamang sagot sa ating question mark dito. Now, the other way that you can check this is, of course, you can also look at the combination of the middle portion as well. So, we have this here. So, check. And that one there, check. And dito sa kabila, meron din ito. So, automatically, this corresponds to letter D as well. So, sa ganitong abstract figure, kasi ibang-iba, yung ibang mga abstract figure, iba naman yung ibig sabihin. Dito, binigay sa atin na yung nasa taas is a combination of all. So, once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!